Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's Nasdaq, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Hello, familia. I hope things are much better now. We're ready to look at the market and look at trading opportunities. What's up? Hello. If you can see this broadcast, please say hello in the chat and let me know where you come from. Oh, hello, Lisa. Perfect. Everything is good. Hello, familia. Doing amazing. Ready to look at the market and make some money, familia. Make some money. All right, let's get going. So we got 4 minutes to open. Market has been coming down pretty strong. This is all about the oil situation that is happening, but it's consolidating right now and it's in the range, oil. So if this thing drop, I can see Nasdaq doing a nice pullback to the top. So let's pay close attention to what is oil doing, because it's really what is driving the market. There's really not a lot of heavy news events happening today. $830 unemployment. Ooh, a little bit higher than usual. This is actually lower, which is good. So all right, bias for today. Honestly, this market has been pulling down so strong, but all this liquidity has been built all the way from the top to the bottom. But really what is driving this market down is the oil and DXY just doing a lot of crazy things. So let's see how badly this thing can go down, because it can go a lot lower when the market opens. Look at that. Asia, London, it's been pretty bad. So New York, I can see a little bit of a rebound that already did. So when it comes to liquidity grab, I think its market is going to continue pushing a little bit lower before doing a nice pullback. Let's just wait, familia. I honestly want to see New York opening first, because right now it's not even about liquidity. That's the truth. It's not even about liquidity. It's fundamentals wrapping everything up. And the big driver of the market right now for the NAS is the US oil in general. So we can't be very technical about this. The market is just pushing down, period. Now, how far this thing can go? Quite far, actually. All of this. We can truly push down the entire market. I want to see how high it can go first before doing a continuation to the downside. On any pullbacks, I would sell the market. All right, we're dealing with the funded accounts from Apex now. And we want to make some sell. So my bias is to sell the market until we fill all this up. At least some of us. Wow, that's a lot of points. Wow, wow, wow. The market just opened and pushed like a bullet to the floor. Yeah, there you go. Wow, that's just brutal. There you go, familia. No fundamentals here. No technicals. It's just pulling the market down. This is bad. This is really, really bad. Such a drastic pull to the downside. Wow. Now it's doing a nice pullback. But in these pullbacks, the market just can take momentum to the downside even stronger. So for me, like, just sell whatever you can in any pullback. Very good right now. ES 500 is pushing lower, like super low. It's fighting it hard. I think it's gonna continue pushing even lower. You see how drastic this pullback was? Like this push to the downside? It's holding it hard. Like, wow. Can't believe my eyes. But that's what happened. That's what happened with the market. Now let's see if there's gonna be a nice pullback to the top and continue pushing down to the down. Continue pushing down. Again, for me, that's a lot to fill up. So just focus and sell in the market and pullbacks. Unbelievable. I'm just watching at this point. Just watching and waiting. I kind of want to stay cash today. Unless I'm not selling. Oh, I'm just saying, family, if you guys sell. But if you guys can stay cash, stay cash. What surprised me is that ES 500 is actually pushing higher now. It's recovering hard, and NAS is not. NAS is just crunching it down hard. Okay, that's a nice pullback. Wow, NAS is holding it hard. ES 500 is pushing up. But if ES 500 pushes down, NAS is gonna crush it to the downside. Any push that the ES 500 does to the downside, this thing is going to collapse. For now, it's just holding it hard. 500 is coming down. Unbelievable. Again, familia, focus inside on the market. I think it's gonna keep pushing down. A lot to move, a lot to fill up to the downside. Even if we break this, wouldn't be surprised. The S500 is pushing it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's holding it hard. It's holding it, holding it. What is this market doing right now? Unbelievable. Ay, ay, ay. What do you want to do? Go up or go down? Go down. There you go. There you go. Making another lower low. Not by much, but it's another lower low. The question is if it's going to be continuation or just a drastic pullback. I'm concerned about the spikes. I'm really concerned about the spikes. The fact that it's stopping hard. Interesting. Very interesting. Why is this thing not coming down so hard? The S500 wants to recover. Wow. Wow. Wow, it's coming back up. No. Go up, go down, go up. And again, I'm not doing any technical analysis right now. There's no technical that you can look at the market right now. It will not respect anything. I'm just saying. Just give it some time, probably like 10:30. The market will kind of calm down a little bit. But the one factor you got to look at is always right now US oil on the DXY. I am expecting a big spike. I am. I truly am. Like in a spike, a complete change of everything that he's doing right now. Look at that. Going back up. Unbelievable. I would just sell on that pullback. Just sell from it. It can't recover. That's what concerns me. It can't recover and recover hard to the upside. What surprised me is that the S500 is actually pushing really low down, and Nasdaq is fighting it to the upside. Telling you, this market it is wild right now. It's like the wild west. You have to be extremely careful. Wow, now it's pushing up. section there. Wow, 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 wow. Buyers are kicking in. No, buyers are kicking in. But the ES500 is pushing down. Like hard. What is up with this market? I'm not seeing a clear opportunity other than just selling on pullbacks, but I'm really not seeing anything. It's not clear. All I can see the market right now probably even pulling to the upside. Just blowing my mind right now. Wow. Completely recover. What is up with this market? I'm not getting it. I think it's gonna just continue pushing higher now. It's not safe to trade this market right now. All I can say, it's not safe. Whatever you guys do, just be really careful. I am going to probably just watch it and see what's going on. Wow. It's quite funny how you guys are seeing this. The market not moving whatsoever. Frozen. I'm actually looking at the market at the 4-hour time frame. But I want to show you guys in the 1-minute time frame what I'm seeing here. And it's gonna come higher. Yep. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing collapses again. Where is it going? Up or down? Get it down. Oh man. Wow. Very unsure of where the market is going. I don't know if you guys noticed that it's moving like very slow. Investors are probably in the same boat that I am, just wondering and letting the market, other people take control over it. Probably is doing a small bull, but the market is pushing down. You can't really go with that. It's trying to do a full recovery now. But anytime it can just go down hard, really hard. It's very mixed. It's really bad price action. It's a huge mix. Inducement of price is telling me that it's going to go up on a big spike and then come down. I'm not even looking at liquidity right now. It's not about liquidity. It's about the market driver right now, and the driver is the US oil. Look at that, it's coming back down. You just don't know. You don't know where you're at. Coming back down. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's all over the place. It is wild, my friends. It is wild. I'm trying to read several things: price action, heat maps, volume profile. I'm looking at so many technicals in the market, and none of them are aligning. None of them. That's what I'm saying right now. It's just the fundamentals taking over it. And when I'm saying fundamentals, what's happening across the world right now, and with the U.S. oil and DXY, pretty much. It's very mixed. It's really bad price action. I highly recommend, familia, to not trade. Stay out of it. If you did some money, save it, because this market can truly take over it very easily. Before I do, I'm looking at the market, but I am not seeing any nice setups. Like, I can see a flag being formed, but we are in a downtrend. Actually, an Elliott wave pushing the market up. Elliott wave 3 right now. It looks what it looks like, but it's counter trend trading. It could be very dangerous. This thing is trying to push back up, and it can blow your accounts, engage you into a trick, and then just pull down. When the price action is not there and it's not clear what you guys can trade, just don't be forced to trade. Right now, I'm not trading. I'm watching the market. I'm truly just watching the market. Wow, the one place that it can come and retest and then pull to the downside is this area here, like here. Market is not easy to trade nowadays. It's really not that simple as people may think. A lot of people think, oh yeah, it's just coming to the market, make a ton of money, walk out. There's a lot more into it. You gotta have a lot of knowledge, a lot of education and experience to win in a market like this nowadays. And I have a lot of it, and even for a person like me, it's not easy. To imagine for other people that don't have that much experience, it's crazy. The only thing I recommend people is to trade with really low contracts, because it can really hit you. It can really hit you. Very interesting. There you go. Come into that bubble. See how it reacted to it? Right on the spot. But it can truly just break it. I'm trying to create another indicator that I want to see liquidation with heat maps on the screen. Similar to the Nexus indicator, but a little bit different. Much way better. I already did it. I'm testing it right now. I'll let you guys know when it's ready. It's gonna be dynamic. Now I want to see where the transactions are happening on the spot, because there's transactions can be pulled out of the market, and when they're pulled, when we believe they're there and there's nothing there, now I'm gonna be able to see them dynamically. And now probably you guys can understand better why the market moves the way it moves. It's not that easy to understand, but I want to visualize it so you guys can see it too. Something that I'm looking at. You guys see it. You guys will see it when it's ready. I had to stop for a little bit before I continue. But again, I don't want to fill up the screen with indicators and a bunch of stuff, because at the end of the day, it's just gonna make you blind. But the necessary tools to trade and win, I want to provide them to you guys so you can turn it on and off the same way I do. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. What matters is to win. Alright, let's go. It's holding on that spot that I mentioned. You guys can sell there and put your stop loss, very tight stop loss, right on this thing. Like here. Go short. Close to the area here. Because it's going to wipe out everyone here and pull down. Alright, here. That would be a nice sell here. A little bit higher, the stop loss maybe here. Yeah. On a pullback, so. It's coming right to that EMA. I think it's a 50 EMA, probably pullback. Yes, 500 is falling. That's why I'm doing this. Trying to probably do a pullback. I want to sell there if he goes there. But he can't probably just fall down hard now. Anytime. Probably Elliott 4. Yep, Elliott 4 in the making. There you go from Elliott 4 in the making. Trying to pull back up again, but I think it is gonna fall. Pull down, down, not up. There you go. That's just crazy. This market is insane. Wow. Question for me, you guys want to switch to the VIP instead? Because I know there's a little bit of a delay here. I want to do this live. You guys want to switch to the VIP? There you go, coming to entry. Consider selling around that area where it is right now, okay? Right on the money, boom. Holy moly. Close 1-to-1, okay? I was waiting for a sell there. Close 1-to-1. Close 1-to-1. Close 1-to-1. All right, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna be switching to the VIP, okay?
because that way we can do it live and it's a lot better. All right, thank you, familia. Talk to you guys in a sec.